Hey, Jake again from Gold Coast Plumbing Company, out here at a job in Helensvale. So this one's a bit different. We've got a block drain. So a good thing to look out for with block drains is you've got stormwater pits like this one here, overflowing, downpipes. If you've got a metal downpipe and you've got a little gap and it's coming out of there, good thing to look for there. And if your gutters are overflowing as well. So there are some good little tips to tell if you've got a block drain. You want to get onto those as soon as possible, because especially with the ones that overflow into your roof, over the gutters, you don't want them overflowing into the eaves of your house, so causing roof leaks, which you don't want that. So we've got Jamie here, he's about to jet through this one. This one's got a couple of tree roots in there, so we'll cut through those with the jetter, and hopefully we'll be able to sort this one out nice and quickly for the customer. Any questions with block drains, give us a call, and we'll have the big man Jamie out here sorting it out for you. Thanks guys.